Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a basic signature using Microsoft Outlook for Microsoft Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now let's go to New Email. Let's compile the email. Please see this email. Kind regards. And then I would follow up by saying admin. In this tutorial, now let's click on signature, edit a signature. We can add a brand new signature is what we will do now. So admin, let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari. Let's now copy the URL for my Instagram. Copy, minimize, paste, go to a new line, go back to Safari, go to Twitter, go to my Twitter URL, Command V to paste, go back to Safari, my YouTube channel, take the URL, copy, Command V to paste. Now let's also add our website. ComputerScienceVideos.com. We can choose to add a mobile number. Now let's think to insert a picture, photo browser, or we can, if we want to, picture from file. Let's go to documents, my YouTube channel, go to the logo, the icon for my brand, or we can now decrease the size of the logo. There we go. We can now save this. Signature name, admin1, save. There we go. Now let's click on admin1 and this should be inserted once we click on admin1. And there we go. There is the signature itself. A very basic, very flashy signature for email on Microsoft Outlook. Now let's address this to myself. Subject, a flashy signature. Now let's send. This email has now been sent. Let's go to the sent section and there we have the flashy signature. We can now quit Outlook. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account, go to Outlook, and there we have the received email on screen with the flashy signature. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.